Adding social media links in Softr allows you to connect your application with your social media profiles, making it easier for visitors to discover and engage with your brand. In this complete guide, you'll learn exactly how to add social media links in Softr, step by step. Softr is a powerful no-code platform that lets you build web applications from Airtable or Google Sheets data, and integrating your social media profiles is a small but impactful way to build trust and drive traffic to your other online presences. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you need to log into your Softr account. Head over to the Softr website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar of your dashboard. You'll see a menu with several options, and the very first one is labeled Applications. Click on that, and it will bring up a list of all the Softr apps you have created. This is your central hub for managing every project, so make sure you're comfortable navigating here. If you have multiple applications, don't worry, you're just going to select the one you want to edit. Now locate the specific application where you want to add the social media links, and click on it to open it. The app will load in the Softr Builder, which is where you make all your design and content changes. Once the editor is open, look again at the left sidebar. This time you want to click on Pages. This section displays all of the pages that make up your application. Things like your homepage, about page, blog, or any custom pages you've built. The reason we start here is that social media link settings in Softr are applied at the page level, meaning you can customize which social links appear on which pages, though for consistency you'll often want them applied globally. Under the App Pages section, you'll see a list of your pages. Hover your mouse over any page in this list and you'll notice a small gear icon appears on the right side of that page's row. This is the Settings icon. Click on it and a panel will slide open from the right side of your screen. This panel contains all the configuration options for that particular page. It's important to know that the social media links you add here will be tied to this specific page's settings. So if you want the links to show up across your entire application, you may need to repeat this step for each page, or look for a global theme setting depending on your Softr template version. Inside the Page Settings panel, scroll down until you see a tab or section labeled Social. Click on it. This is the dedicated area where Softr allows you to manage social media information associated with your application. You'll likely see fields for a title, a description, and perhaps an icon or platform selector, depending on your current Softr configuration. This section is designed to store the details that your application will use to display clickable social media icons or links in predefined areas of your theme, like the footer or a contact section. Now you'll fill in the details. First, enter the title for your social media link. This is the name that identifies the social media platform or profile, something like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Make sure it is clear and recognizable because this title may appear as visible text next to the link in your app's interface. Next, enter the description. In many Softr setups, this field is actually where you place the full URL of your social media page or profile. Double check that you're using the correct field. If there is a separate URL or link field, use that instead. The description might be a short blurb like "follow us on Instagram," but for now, focus on getting the web address in the right spot. Before you save, take a moment to review the title and URL to ensure they are accurate. This is a critical step because a simple typo in a URL can send your users to a broken page or, worse, to someone else's profile. Copy and paste the full URL of your social media profile directly from your browser's address bar to avoid any typing errors. For example, if you are adding your Facebook page, the URL should look like https://www.facebook.com/yourpagegainem. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing slashes. Double check that the link points to the correct social media profile, not just the platform's homepage, but your actual profile or business page. Once you are confident everything is correct, click the Save button at the bottom of the Page Settings panel. Softr will store the social media information you just entered, making it available wherever the social settings are used within your application. Depending on your theme, these links may automatically appear in your footer, a contact bar, or a dedicated social links widget. If you don't see them immediately, don't worry, you may need to enable a social links block or widget on your pages through the main builder editor. Before moving on to the next task, preview your application. Click the Preview button in the top right corner of the Softr Builder to see your app as a visitor would. Navigate to the page where you added the social links and look for the social media icons or text links. Verify that your social media information has been saved correctly and appears as expected. If applicable, actually click the link to test it. It should open the correct social media page in a new browser tab. If it doesn't work, go back to the page settings, double check the URL, and save again. As a final tip, remember that your social media presence evolves. Whenever your profiles or branding change, like updating your Instagram handle, creating a new TikTok account, or rebranding your LinkedIn company page, make it a habit to come back here and update your Softr links. Keeping these current ensures your app always feels professional and trustworthy. You have now successfully added social media links to your Softr application, which will help your visitors find and follow you across the web. If you found this guide useful, consider saving this video or revisiting these steps whenever you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching and happy building.